Welcome back. This is Scarlett with the Low Loud Labs, and this is my first time soldering ever. Today we'll be assembling a vibration robot called a Jitterbug, and he jitters around your table. This guy comes to life once we solder some legs, LEDs for the eyes, a battery holder, a motor, and a switch. While you might need some adult supervision and the occasional helping hand, once you get the hang of it, I think it's easy and most people will have good luck with it. To solder, you want to heat up the pad on the board and the wire, and then melt the solder to them. You want to avoid a cold solder. Most times you can tell a good solder just by looking at it. What you want to see is a shiny Hershey's Kiss. I think it was difficult shaping the legs, and playing with the legs can make him move because he might not move right away. So don't give up if he doesn't move right away. And now it's time to bring him to life and watch him run across the table. I think he's cute and he's easy to build. Thanks for watching.